Good morning, my good friends of Trade Ideas. This is Dan Merkin, your CEO. Been on vacation for a little while, but I'm back and I'm doing the continuation of this series of how am I always in the best trades, like LTRY. Well, let's take a look at APCW. Okay, and the way I do it is I simply look at them on the race and I can tell that they're the strongest right now. And APCW is one before. I click buy on my chart and just place the order. This allows me, now I just got filled, and here's my stop. I can move the stop wherever I need to make sure that I'm managing my risk. And I just continue in this process, and this is a similar process that you've seen throughout. So let's just continue here. I'm going to place the order right here, assuming it might do a little bit of this, and let it come back to me. Okay? This is the process of how to do it, and this is really the winning way to do it. You're never going to miss a big move. Okay? HKD was all over this thing. QRT, EB was all over this. This is how we find the best trades before any other vendor. Come join us. We have an open house, www.trade-ideas.com.